Okay, this is your video for Tuesday the 10th. This is your 48-hour update. I guess the biggest thing for Delaware, Jersey, and southeastern PA will be the rise in temperatures, the heavy winds, the chance for thunderstorms, and a rapid freeze after it on late Thursday night. So we got a lot to go through. But right now, we're just going to concern ourselves with what's going to be happening in the next 48 hours, and we'll even talk about Christmas on the main video. Now, this shows you the temperatures. This is around 11 o'clock this evening. You can see like the upper 50s down here, these yellows, and the mid 50s through here, and to the northwest towards Reading and Allentown. You're in the upper 40s. And then you're going to watch how those big 50s and 60s start coming up. Here's the definitive line right here. It's literally where there's a mountain zone here, Route 70, this the lower Poconos here. This is 2 o'clock in the morning. You can see temperatures are in the mid 50s. Philadelphia getting up towards the upper 50s, up mid 50s, upper 50s, all over the place. And you're not done yet. Warm air is still going to stream up. You can look down here. This is around 6 in the morning. You got 60 degrees down here in Delaware. Near some 60s over here in Jersey. This is out here east of Philadelphia. Mid upper 50s just about everywhere there. And then they continue to rise. We get to around 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And literally southeastern PA, Delaware, Jersey, everybody's basically in the 60s, which is quite amazing for this time of year. But just look back up here. This is around 1 in the afternoon. And you can see that leading edge of the cooler air, and this is also where the thunderstorms are at. So we want to go back over to that and see, here's that line of thunderstorms, and we'll back this up a little bit. But they're going to start forming, and ahead of it could be a couple thunderstorms right in here. This is late morning, but you'll see that line set itself up right here, and it's just to the west of Wilmington and Philadelphia, and runs all the way down here, down towards DC and down that way. And you can see this is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's just about when it's going to be coming into Philadelphia, and then Delaware's getting it right now. And then there's still some rain behind it, so don't think just because it's coming through it's over with. But this is the main line right here. You can see some scattered thunderstorms all the way down from Trenton, all the way down. This takes you all the way up to North Jersey. And then you can see this is around 5 in the afternoon. The storms get off the coast and they're really strong. So the eastern part of New Jersey, like right here, this could be some strong thunderstorms tomorrow around 4 o'clock right in through here. And then we slowly, they go off the coast 5. And then you still have some heavier showers down here, Delaware and Jersey, and up here towards New York and Newark up that way, some heavier rains. But look towards the west, you can see that some of it's changing over to snow. And let's see here. Temperatures, you'll see the difference in temperatures. We had 60s. Now, here you go. 50s are pushed off into Jersey. And again, this is around 8 o'clock Wednesday evening. And you can see there's 30s back here. So it's going to drop really quick. And I'll take you through this. And you can see this is 10 o'clock. Here's 11 o'clock. Here's 12 o'clock Wednesday night into Thursday, and temperatures up here in freezing area, and then all around everybody's dropped into the 30s. So we've gone from the 60s to the 30s, and then as we get towards Thursday morning, this is around 11 a.m. Let's see, 11 a.m. Everybody's below freezing. It is dropped like super quick. So there's literally a 30-degree drop in temperatures. Now, to go along with this, we got wind. Yeah, we really just need to discuss the wind and the wind gusts because there could be some power outages from this too, beside heavy rain. There's midnight. You can see wind gusts across most of the area, upper 30s to 40 mile an hour wind gusts. And some stronger ones are just off the coast. This is around 1 o'clock, and look how they picked up. And there'll be some heavier rains mixed in, so you'll be hearing it going on out there howling. But here's some upper 40 mile an hour wind gusts. Here north of Atlantic City, we got some upper 40 mile an hour wind gusts. And then you can see as we go through the nighttime hours, this takes you to, this is around 6 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's getting wind gusts into the 40 mile an hour range. It quietens down a little bit along the coast, but then things start to wind up as we get going. 9 o'clock in the morning, here's mostly 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts right along the shoreline here. Wind gusts into the 50s. So going to be a lot of wave action. And now as we move this to 10 o'clock, here's this upper 50s out here. And they're moving on shore. And here's 50, all this orange is 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And as you can see, as this front is starting to approach the west, this really gets some nasty winds here. So I would think that Jersey needs to prepare for some power outages out of this. We got 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts just starting to come on shore. Um, Here's a 63-mile-an-hour wind gust out here on these outer islands out here in New Jersey here, ocean. What is that? What's up this way? I mean, my brain has gone dead, but there's some places up here that are getting 60-mile-an-hour plus wind gusts, and the front is starting to come across, well, at least the thunderstorm front. But I mean, look at this right off the coast here. These are strong winds. Here's a 65-mile-an-hour wind gust here. So you got some very heavy winds right along the coast, and you can see this. The front starts to come across, these winds pick up. They start cranking. And you can see these are mid 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts trying to come on shore. And this is a long period of time. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon Wednesday. And then here, look, if you look right here, that's a 75 mile. That's a category 1 wind gust, not sustained wind now. Not talking sustained, I'm talking wind gust. Here you can see the line. And what you got is you got the southerly flow and the northwest coming together here. You'll have the thunderstorms and the heavier rain coming through and the wind gust all at the same time. And then it starts to calm down after that a little bit. I mean, there's still some wind gusts, but it's nothing like it was. So just keep that in mind. This is a longer video than usual, but we had a lot to talk about today. The snow, but is confined really all the way up into the mountains. There's really no snow down here. Even though at the tail end you can see some wet snowflakes, none of it will stick. Okay, take it easy.